Welcome to use Cloner Alliance UHD Pro. It is capable of recording videos at up to 4K at 30 frames per second. It has line in, line out, microphone in, USB storage, HDMI in, HDMI out ports, and snapshot, record and stop buttons. Just plug in the USB flash drive, HDMI in and out cables, power adapter, and push the power button to turn on Cloner Alliance UHD Pro. Then the video image will display on TV. Simply press the record button to start recording. The product provides real-time HDMI pass-through. It also supports 4K at 60 frames per second video input and 1080p or 720p video recording. You can easily switch between H.265 and H.264 encoding by pressing the button on the recorder box or with remote. Then press the stop button to stop recording. Press the remote menu button and select Schedule setting. Turn on the schedule function, set the mode and schedule time. You can set up to 3 schedule tasks at the same time. Press the video button on remote and you can play the recorded videos directly on your TV. You can also connect to your laptop through the to PC port and live stream on Windows, Mac, Linux and Android with ultra-low latency. With the next-gen 4K standalone video recorder, you can record 4K UHD video directly to your USB flash drive or external hard drive and play back instantly for your home entertainment.